Check out the description before we begin to see how you can win a nano ledger. Generally speaking, investing in cryptocurrency is very risky. Although there are about 21,000 cryptocurrencies in use now, only a small number of them will last in the long run. Cardano ADA is one of the cryptocurrencies on which we're placing our bets. It is anticipated to gain momentum as the asset class becomes more popular. Obviously, it is not a good idea to invest all of your money in one cryptocurrency, but you must recognize how crucial it is to diversify your portfolio. Let's calculate the value of Cardano ADA in 2023 using this information. In the first 8 months of 2022, the cryptocurrency market has experienced a dramatic decline in momentum. This year, there were a ton of exciting plans that were supposed to be implemented in the cryptocurrency space, but they all failed for a variety of reasons. The market value of some digital assets has decreased by about 60%. But because September has traditionally been the weakest month for cryptocurrencies between 2013 and 2021, investors have suffered considerably more anguish. 6 times in September, Bitcoin closed lower with a 7% average loss. Cardano's price also fell at this time after the introduction of smart contracts in September 2021. Is there a sort of curse on this September effect? No, it's more of an oddity, and long-term investors shouldn't be concerned about this pattern. Although valuing cryptocurrencies is challenging, you can take into account the utility a blockchain network provides and the size of the development community. These are the elements that have effectively persuaded investors to invest in Cardano. At the beginning of 2021, Cardano was an unknown cryptocurrency for many individuals, but has since made its way to become one of the biggest and most well-known cryptos available. Cardano is not without its difficulties. It has received a lot of attention and buzz in the cryptocurrency community, but when you look at the numbers, it is also mainly underperforming. Much of Cardano's appeal, according to Vivek Roy, managing partner and author of the Bitcoin in the U.S. Fiscal Reckoning, has been fueled by retail interest, the community's passion for Cardano, and the opinions of crypto professionals. It is still priced higher than some crypto experts had anticipated, though. Cardano is intriguing since there is undoubtedly a difference in interest from retail investors compared to the crypto industry, which has received a lot of criticism. According to Roy, Cardano's performance from a price aspect may have, over time, defied what crypto specialists may have expected. Despite this, it has undoubtedly been impacted by the market as a whole. Cardano ADA, sometimes known as the Ethereum killer, seeks to offer Ethereum's reduced costs, more scalability, and higher transaction throughput and speed. Even with the coin's poor market performance, ADA whales still exist. CoinCarp reported it on August 26, according to the report. With 3 million ADA holders, Cardano is one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies. According to a December 2021 FinVote report, the top 10% of Cardano whales held over 31 billion of the 33.43 billion circulating tokens, or 92% of the Cardano supply. Who will therefore control the majority of the ADA in 2022? The top 10 coin holders possess 6.71% of the available ADA coins, according to data from the CoinCart. The top 100 data from your research platform with an O of 19.08%. ADA is an inflationary token, and as of the 26th of August, the inflation rate was 1.93%, according to Masari. Additionally, it revealed that 1285 addresses in ADA have a sum of more than $1 million, while 243 locations have balances of more than $10 million. Since Bitcoins are anonymous, it is impossible to determine who owns these addresses. These statistics demonstrate that Cardano does indeed have a promising future. At the time of the network's launch, IOHK received approximately 2.5 billion tokens, and Mergo, an international blockchain development company that worked on the platform's protocol's early foundation, received 2.1 billion tokens. The Cardano Foundation also received 648 million coins for use in promoting the platform and encouraging the use of water. The project's founders, who are still the biggest Cardano whales today, received about 16% of the ADA coins in circulation, with the remaining 84% going to other investors. Even if it's crucial to understand who holds the most Cardano, you should always do your research before trading. When the price of the ADA coin retreated back to the arbitrary $1 mark, moving onward, holding onto the digital asset caused more investors to incur unrealized losses. More than two-thirds of ADA holders, or 67%, were underwater, according to the blog and Our Money indication. The indicator determines the average cost of the tokens that were purchased and compares it to its current price. A quarter of Cardano investors were in the green, and 9% of them were at break-even point. The decline in prices, however, is unrelated to the network failing to meet the high standards that were established surrounding the introduction of smart contracts. The quantity of decentralized applications. Although Cardano is still a bit of a wasteland, its creator Charles Hoskinson thinks that many Cardano developers were anticipating the debut of the Vessel hard fork. The Cardano upgrade roadmap's Basho phase will concentrate on scalability and smart contracts with a brand new innovation dubbed Hydra to increase the network throughput even further. Unless the trade sentiment significantly changes, the ADA sell-off can pick in speed, taking more holders further beneath. As a result, there will be very little chance of investing in Cardano in 2023 and seeing high gains. The Cardano network has successfully been recognized by the World Economic Forum as one of the most scalable systems. The network has been rapidly expanding to become the first peer-reviewed and flawlessly scalable chain. The proof-of-stake system, which the platform relies on, enables it to compete with its rivals. Some investors, however, think these characteristics are worthless. Since Cardano is already establishing its RENA utility at an excellent rate, the desire to drive growth trajectories will continue to advance even if the price of the ADA token does not rise. Gregorio entered the year 2022 with a $1.38 price tag. However, the market conditions have gotten worse, bringing the price down by only 45 cents. A consistent rise and prominence are essential for Cardano since the outcomes will eventually have an impact on ADA because the price was taken in such an optimistic manner. Based on past price behavior, Cardano has been a fantastic investment. The price of the ADA coin is anticipated to reach brand new highs in 2023. The fact that Cardano's blockchain is still being developed is the main cause of its shortcomings. Many crucial elements, like scalability, are still under development. Nevertheless, development is steady. Before evaluating whether or not the ADA token is worthwhile for holding, it is necessary to be aware of these aspects since the price of every digital asset depends on a variety of them. The technical features of Cardano that have somewhat mitigated some of its flaws are its main source of support. Because the ADA coin resists inflation, demand should increase as they improve it. The Cardano blockchain is secure because it is decentralized, while scalability is provided by the layered design. These qualities are what set Cardano apart as a special coin with great potential. The deep and smart contracts created on the Cardano platform are another factor in the success of the company. The blockchain is made stable and long-lasting through a strict peer review procedure. Cardano will carry on and develop into a wonderful option for traders and new participants in the crypto field as he stands a decent chance of capturing his due piece of the market. Simultaneously, for individuals looking to diversify their portfolios, ADA cryptocurrency is still a good option. By market capitalization, Cardano ADA has been included among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Although Bitcoin Ethereum capitalizations may be higher, ADA has exhibited more growth in recent months, with one of the most significant market caps in the enormous daily trading volume. Recently, Ripple was flipped as the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market value. Cardano is particularly well-liked by Bitcoin enthusiasts, and its 5-year history shows steady rise in value despite price fluctuations. It is evident that Cardano is a strong investment option and that it has the potential for long-term growth. As a result, a lot of partners support it and believe it will benefit investors greatly. The Bitcoin market is still unstable, though, and it frequently defies projections. Therefore, it would be wise to take into account all of these searches before selecting a digital asset to invest in. Since Cardano is a sure bet for the long term, it is easy to forecast how it will perform in 2023 and beyond. But one thing is certain, Cardano will quickly turn into the paradise you imagine. Maintain a high horse, then. But what do you think about this? Let's discuss them below in the comment area. In the following video, we'll see you. To learn how Cardano was living up to the fantasy of becoming the Ethereum murderer before that, watch the films. Be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons.